because English is such an affable language and it shares such a good relation with every other language that it ended up borrowing some French words which we use in English. Well, I'm sure French is very, very graceful that it lended some words to English, and now English definitely uses them. Isn't that amazing? I mean, what a lovely relation between the languages. Wow, amazing. Well, yeah, that was on the lighter note. But yes, definitely there are certain French words which are used in the English language and they just sound so exotic and stylish. So well then, what are we waiting for? This video is especially dedicated to all the stylish French words. Actually, I've chosen 5 of them for you all. To 5 of these stylish French words which you use in English, and definitely some you might be aware of, some you might not be aware of, that yes, they are actually French words, but yes, used in English. Well, you all are once again most welcome to your own channel, that is Tutorials Point. Let us go ahead without any further ado and learn about these stylish French words which are used in English. Chauffeur. Wow, chauffeur, doesn't it sound so exotic? Chauffeur, yeah, it actually does sound exotic. Even you might want to try that. Well, chauffeur actually is a French word which is used in English, and it means stylish. It means a driver. My apologies, not stylish, it means a driver, right? So someone who actually you have hired, who is a professional driver and is trained with those skills, is professionally certified and trained to drive, is actually called a chauffeur, right? So yeah, a person employed to drive a private or a hired car. A chauffeur driven limousine. Wow, doesn't that sound so exotic, so stylish? Wow, amazing. We would all just love to sit in a chauffeur driven limousine. Yes, so yeah, coming back to the point, chauffeur is a professionally trained driver, and yes, it is a word of French origin and used in English. Again, chic. Wow, yet another very stylish word which again has a French origin but is used in English. And chic actually means someone who is very elegant and stylish, and usually this word is associated with women. Yeah, more often than not, it is associated with women. So someone who is, I mean, just observe the style and the elegance in the way that this lady is dressed up. So yes, it is absolutely chic. So she looked every inch the chic in French woman, right? So she looked every inch the chic French woman. So yeah, my apologies again, but yes, chic, again, as I told you, means someone who is very stylish, very elegantly dressed up. So yeah, you might as well want to dress up in a very chic in a stylish manner, and it is a great compliment as well. You might as well want to use this as a compliment next time you happen to meet someone or you happen to see someone who is very elegantly and very stylish, dressed up in a very stylish manner. So such a person is known as a chic person, or you could use chic to describe them. Cliché. Well, cliché is yet another word with a French origin which is used in the English language. And yes, cliché is, I mean, something which is way too overused and which is like, it is sort of stereotypical, and something which we just know would be associated with a particular thing or a situation or something. That is a cliche, right? So a phrase or an opinion that is overused and betrays a lack of original thought. So something that is overtly used, and for example, wearing a tuxedo to a sort of a sophisticated formal party would be a cliche, don't you think so? Because it is a dress which is the first thing that comes in anybody's mind, that okay, I'm going to wear a tuxedo for my that formal party. So yes, that is a sort of a thought which is overused and is not as creative and as original. So that is what is referred to as a cliche, and again a word of French origin but used in the English language. My wedding day, and I know it's a cliche, was just the happiest day of my life. Yes, whenever you hear of anybody's wedding day, the only cliche is it is the happiest day of your life, but the reality is that yes, most people, it is very, very tiring. When again, this is just an example to make you understand the exact usage of cliche. So yes, a very stylish word of French origin, but used in English language. Connoisseur. So who is a connoisseur? Isn't it so stylish? Connoisseur just sounds so stylish. So connoisseur is again a word of French origin but used in the English language. So what is the meaning of connoisseur? So someone who is like sort of a perfectionist in a particular field or a particular art. For example, food connoisseur, so someone who just loves to enjoy foods, or someone could be an art connoisseur, so someone who is a kind of a perfectionist, or someone who is has in-depth knowledge of any particular field or area is referred to as a connoisseur. He was a well-known connoisseur of art. So you could be a connoisseur of coding, you could be a connoisseur of art, you could be a connoisseur of food, you could be a connoisseur of anything. So that is what is referred by this word, and what an amazing word of French origin. And yes, it is used in English. Isn't it amazing? Or isn't it so exotic to use it in your language? Well, use it. Wow, so just after all these new and stylish words, we came to one word which we are all aware of, because we almost all of them, I'm sure, we all use it, we all have heard of it. That is omelette. Well, did you? Yes, we all have heard this word, no doubt about it. But were you aware that omelette is a word of French origin, and English has borrowed this word from French and we've started using it? Well, isn't it really surprising that this word, which we so commonly used, is not a word of English origin, but is a word of French origin? Wow, omelette. So yes, again, a very, so I deliberately picked up this example because it was kind of surprising, because even I wasn't aware before I made this video that omelette is actually a French word but used in English, because now it is used so commonly in English that maybe we never even paid heed to its origin. So yes, it is a word of French origin but used in English. Well, I'm sure this video definitely would have taken you by surprise, and this video definitely you would have learned some new stylish and exotic French words which you can use in your daily language in English, and definitely they are very stylish and very cool to use. Well, yes, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials, point and tutorics. Have a good day.